Here's a truth that might shock you. Some of the most respected interior designers in the industry are secretly filling their high-end projects with IKEA furniture. And they're not even bothering to hack or customize it. Wait, before you roll your eyes and think, cheap furniture alert, hear me out. We're talking about seasoned professionals who could easily specify $1,000 pieces. Yet they're deliberately choosing Swedish flat-pack furniture straight off the showroom floor. And here's where it gets controversial. They're achieving stunning results that rival custom millwork. From budget-conscious first apartments to luxury office spaces, and surprisingly, even those million-dollar renovation projects, IKEA continues to prove its worth. Sure, the brand often gets labeled as basic or starter furniture, designed purely for practicality rather than style. But here's what most people miss. When wielded by someone with a trained eye, these affordable pieces can genuinely transform spaces into magazine-worthy environments. We reached out to 7 accomplished design professionals and asked them to reveal their go-to IKEA pieces, the ones they use exactly as intended, without any modifications, painting, or Pinterest-worthy DIY transformations. Their responses might just change how you view that iconic blue and yellow store forever. So before you dismiss IKEA as too mainstream for your sophisticated taste, let's dive into what these industry insiders actually choose for both their personal homes and their client spaces. The LAUTERS Floor Lamp, a designer's secret weapon, Noz Nozawa, who heads up Noz Design, discovered this gem while designing her picture-perfect Lake Tahoe retreat with her husband. The space reads like something straight out of Architectural Digest, complete with carefully curated details that include the IKEA LAUTERS floor lamp prominently featured in their living area. This particular floor lamp delivers way beyond what you'd expect for the price point, both in terms of construction quality and visual appeal, Nozawa explains. It brings this wonderful warmth to any room and adapts beautifully to different design styles. While I typically love putting my own spin on furniture pieces, this lamp genuinely doesn't need any tweaks. The combination of that crisp, airy lampshade with the raw, solid wood base creates the perfect balance. But here's where it gets interesting. Could a lamp that costs under $100 really compete with designer lighting that runs into the thousands? Outdoor furniture that fooled everyone, the NÄMMARÖ collection. Gary McNair, design director at Studio C, New York, made a bold choice for his backyard transformation. Instead of investing in premium teak furniture that could easily cost $10,000 or more, he outfitted his entire outdoor space with IKEA's NÄMMARÖ collection, including the chaise lounges, armchairs, and modular sectional pieces. We wanted that luxurious, resort-like atmosphere with matching teak furniture that would make every day feel like summer, McNair reveals. The NÄMMARÖ collection delivered exactly that vision at a fraction of what high-end outdoor furniture would cost. The large sectional that surrounds our fire pit creates this incredible gathering space, and because it's modular, you can arrange it however your space demands. The controversial question here: if guests can't tell the difference between this and expensive patio furniture, does the price tag really matter? The storage solution that's fooling high-end clients. Priya Vij, founder of Happy Home, recently completed an installation that has everyone talking, and they have no idea it's from IKEA. She chose the BESTÅ cabinet system for a client who wanted sophisticated, low-profile storage. I was searching for a sleek, low bookshelf that could offer maximum flexibility without breaking the budget, Vij explains. The BESTÅ line turned out to be the ultimate solution because of its modular design. You can choose single, double, or triple width units to perfectly fit any space dimension. What makes this particularly clever is the customization potential. You can keep it minimalist with open shelving, add doors for a cleaner look, incorporate interior dividers, mount hardware, or even top it with a stone slab for that built-in custom millwork appearance, she continues. Plus, there's integrated cord management, making it perfect for media centers or lighting. It's incredibly rare to find something that balances functionality, affordability, and complete customization like this. The cabinet doors that tricked a celebrity photographer, Kyle Resmondo, a master builder and developer based in New Orleans, made headlines when he chose IKEA's VOXTORP Cabinet Doors for the home of renowned photographer Steve Rapport. Yes, you read that correctly. A celebrity's kitchen features IKEA cabinets, and they look absolutely stunning. The client specifically requested them because of their ultra-minimalist aesthetic, Resmondo shares. These doors feature integrated finger pulls cut directly into the surface, eliminating the need for additional hardware. Combined with that smooth, matte white finish, they create an incredibly sophisticated, seamless appearance. And this is the part most people miss. Sometimes the most expensive option isn't necessarily the most elegant one. The TV console that's conquering NYC apartments. Sarah Thomas, a New York City-based interior designer, made the BESTÅ TV unit the focal point of her own apartment's living room. Her personal sanctuary in the city that never sleeps. This console strikes the ideal balance between form and function while remaining budget-friendly, Thomas notes. Its clean, timeless design helps hide unsightly cables while maximizing precious floor space, which is absolutely crucial in New York City living. It perfectly complements my minimalist aesthetic without screaming budget furniture. Creating luxury lounge areas for less, Gianmarco from Galleria Miami pulled off something extraordinary for a recent client project using IKEA's Stockholm 2017 sofa collection. His approach was unconventional and brilliant. I selected 3 individual seat modules without the armrests to create this completely open, flowing seating arrangement, Gianmarco explains. It's surprising that IKEA doesn't heavily promote this configuration. They mainly showcase the version with armrests. The clean geometry and adaptability create an unexpectedly elegant result, especially considering the price point. There's even a matching ottoman available. The finished space looked remarkably similar to Herman Miller's premium Chadwick sofa collection. Gianmarco completed the look with the coordinating Stockholm 2017 table lamp in yellow, chrome accent pieces, and an IKEA pine side table, the closet system that's revolutionizing storage. Kelly Collier-Clark, CEO and principal designer of House of Clark Interiors, specializes in closet transformations, and she consistently turns to one particular IKEA system for even her most discerning clients. The PAX system remains my permanent favorite because it offers incredible customization, stays budget-conscious, and adapts to virtually any design style. Collier-Clark explains, its modular structure allows me to create perfectly tailored storage solutions, even in the most challenging, awkward spaces. With interchangeable door styles, interior configurations, and finish options, I can achieve that expensive, built-in appearance every time. She adds, what I particularly appreciate is how easy it is to modify or upgrade components over time, giving both my clients and me the flexibility to evolve with changing needs. Now here's the controversial question I need to ask you. Are we all just furniture snobs? Think about it. If professional designers who work with unlimited budgets are choosing IKEA pieces for their own homes and luxury client projects, what does that say about our preconceived notions about quality furniture? Are we paying thousands more just for a brand name and the psychological satisfaction of owning something exclusive? Maybe it's time to challenge the idea that good design has to be expensive. Perhaps the real skill lies not in how much you spend, but in how thoughtfully you select and style your pieces. What do you think? Are these designers onto something revolutionary? Or are they just settling for good enough? Have you ever been surprised by an IKEA piece that exceeded your expectations? And more importantly, does knowing that a beautiful room contains IKEA furniture change how you perceive its overall design quality? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Are you team invest in quality pieces or team smart shopping wins every time? Because honestly, after seeing what these professionals can accomplish, I'm starting to question everything I thought I knew about furniture shopping.